Welcome back to Product Critique, where we help you find the best automotive accessories to take your car's style and functionality to the next level. In today's video, we're diving into what might just be the best 2019 Camry XSE accessory you can add to your ride. The CKE paddle shifter extension in red. If you're looking to bring sportiness and premium feel to your drive, this one's a must-see. Let's talk first about compatibility, because CKE has really gone all in to cover a wide range of Toyota models. This paddle shifter extension is designed to fit not only the Toyota Camry from 2018 to 2026, but it's also compatible with the Corolla, Corolla Cross, RAV4, Crown, and Avalon, covering model years up to 2026. That's incredible support for multiple vehicles. The only thing to keep in mind is that it's not compatible with the GR versions of the Corolla. So before you buy, make sure your vehicle has factory paddle shifters, because these extensions are designed to mount right onto them. Now let's move on to build quality, because this is where the CKE paddle shifter extension stands out. These aren't your average plastic stick-ons. They're crafted from premium aluminum alloy, giving them that cold to the touch, solid feel that screams durability and quality. And with a bright anodized red finish, they don't just feel high-end, they look it. The color is designed to stay vibrant over time and resist fading, so it'll hold up beautifully even after thousands of shifts. CKE didn't just throw some red paint on metal and call it a day. The extensions are precision carved using CNA technology. That results in a more refined, smoother surface with sleek curves that follow the original paddle design. Flip them over and you'll find that the rear side has been upgraded too. The back contour is shaped specifically to hug the original paddles, adding to both the comfort and security of your grip. No more slipping fingers when you're toggling gears. These feel like they came stock with the car. Just a much more aggressive, sportier version of it. Installation is surprisingly simple. You don't need any professional tools, drilling, or permanent mods. All it takes is a clean surface and a little heat from a hairdryer to soften the included double-sided tape. After that, just peel, stick, and press down for about a minute to get a firm hold. That tape isn't just any generic adhesive either. It's a premium automotive-grade double-sided tape that holds strong without damaging your original shifters. And when you eventually want to take them off, there's no sticky residue left behind. In the box, you're getting a complete set. 2 paddle shifter extension trims. One for the left and one for the right. Along with the 2 high-strength adhesive tapes. Everything you need is included for a quick and clean upgrade. So who is this for? If you drive a Camry XSE, or any compatible Toyota model with paddle shifters, and you want to give your steering wheel a sporty, motorsport-inspired edge, this is your upgrade. It's the kind of mod that gives you satisfaction every time you shift gears. And it transforms your cabin with that bold red pop that matches the energy of the XSE's design. That wraps up today's breakdown of the CKE paddle shifter extension in red, the best 2019 Camry XSE accessory you can get your hands on right now. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest and in-depth product features. See you in the next video.